Is your RAV4's backup camera giving you a headache? Don't worry, you're not alone. Backup cameras can be a lifesaver, but when they stop working, it's super frustrating. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your car is in reverse. No reverse, no camera. Next, check your settings. Go to your display screen and ensure your camera is enabled. Sometimes it's as simple as a setting change. Still not working? Try cleaning the camera lens. Dirt and grime can mess up the view. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Check the fuse box. A blown fuse could be the culprit. Your owner's manual can guide you on which fuse to check. If that doesn't fix it, there could be a wiring issue. Inspect the connection between the camera and the display. Loose or damaged wires might need a pro's touch. Lastly, software updates. Toyota releases updates that might fix camera bugs. Visit your dealer for the latest software. So, to recap, check your reverse gear, settings, lens, fuse, wiring, and software. Troubleshooting your backup camera doesn't have to be daunting. Follow these steps and you'll be back on track in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy car tips.